The CBSE Class 12 board exams this year is most likely to be held from 15th July to 26th August. As per reports, the Central Board of Secondary Education is likely to conduct the Class 12 board exams from mid-July onwards. Though there is no official confirmation in this regard as yet, the Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal will reportedly share the exact dates of the examination on 1st June. According to sources, a high-level meeting was conducted with education ministers of different states in which CBSE has reportedly proposed two options for conducting Class 12 examination. As per reports, the first option proposes conduct of examination of only the major subjects, while the second option proposes that the exam timing will be reduced from 3 hours to 1.5 hours per paper. The second option was reportedly supported by several ministers. This would have a different examination pattern that includes mostly multiple choice questions or MCQs so that students can complete the paper within the stipulated time. The second choice proposed by CBSE suggested that in case the students are not able to attend the exam due to COVID-19 related issues, they can do so after 15 days of the exam. On the other hand, Delhi Education Minister Manish Sisodia advised to cancel the board exams this year if school students cannot be vaccinated before the exams. Manish Sisodia also said that results can be declared based on their performance in the last 2 years. A plan B can be prepared for students disagreeing with it, the minister said. Meanwhile, in another development, around 300 students of Class 12 have sent a letter of petition to the Chief Justice of India, N.V. Raman, to quash the decision of the CBSE to hold physical conduct of examination amid the COVID-19 pandemic. As per reports, the students have urged the Supreme Court to direct the government to provide an alternative assessment scheme for the examination. Bureau Report, OTV News.